Connect the black plug to the MDB box cable. Connect the colored cable plug to the bill acceptor. Connect the USB plug to computer. Check if there is any new port in the device manager. Double-click the red button to check the bill acceptor work mode. LED flashes sometimes in bill receiving mode. Press and hold the red button until the LED lights up to change mode. Double-click the red button to check the bill acceptor work mode again. LED flashes once for debug mode. Then the new port will be refreshed in the port project. Then update the driver. Choose 32-bit or 64-bit according to your computer system. Then install the software of ITL bill acceptor. You can view channel information here. Select the channel you want to disable. Wait for the bill acceptor to restart. You can connect the device again to check whether the disabling is successful. Press and hold the red button until the LED lights up to change to debug mode. After checking, disconnect and change bill acceptor to receiving mode. Remember to change the mode.